Boy, pancake. First time flat. Hello YouTube. Just got a flat tire yesterday at the trail. So using this sealant, I guess this whole tube, it's how many ounces? This whole bottle goes into the tire. It's a 27.5 mullet setup. So that's the Trbo Levo upside down. Took the stem out of there. About to fill it up. Stay tuned. So I got the tube on this thing, right? I'm about to hook it up right here. And make sure you shake it well. So there we go. Let it rip. You just squeeze it in there, right? And I didn't buy the cheapest bottle. This one was $12.99 and it has this nozzle. The other cheap bottles, they have this little cone, like the glue stick. I would spend a little more. This is way more convenient. You know, always spend a little more money to get where you're going faster. So we got a whole bottle pretty much squeezed out. The bottle is empty. Just go ahead and pull it off like that. It comes with the little stick to put it inside here so it doesn't dry up. I guess I have to buy a refill. I should have bought 2 of them. And then we take your stem, right? Screw it back in. Right. Where's my pliers? And so I'll use these pliers to just tighten it up. First hand tighten it, right, and then use these pliers to like slightly and tighten it over. Make sure you don't squeeze it and ruin the threads. Kind of grip it high. So I think it's in. So now time to pump it up. I got this little pump. Should work real fast. So you pressurize the tire, right? And depending on where the puncture is, you put some air in the tire and then you just spin it, right? So close it up and just let the tire spin, right? You let it spin and then the sealant will circulate in there and it should seal the hole. So just put the sealant in there. It looks like it's not sealing yet, but I'll let it all drip down to the lowest point. See if it works. Stay tuned, subscribe, hit the like button. Thank you for watching. So that's it, that's all she wrote. Flat looks like it's gone. The air stopped leaking. We're all good to go. Subscribe, hit the like button again. I'll recommend this sealant. No tools required. Pump and little pliers. Thank you. Bye-bye. So I had pumped up the tire after, and looks like it's holding. Yeah. Left the thing chilling over here. It dripped a little bit, but make sure you have something underneath the bike. So success. Subscribe, hit the like button. Thank you.